Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now, what I want to talk to you about in this video is going to be social proof. All right, now a lot of people overlook this particular feature, but it's an awesome thing to do when you're trying to get good results on search engines. All right, now what I mean by social proof is that you want people to be talking about your content, your website, sharing your website, posting it other places, coming back, and basically looking and bringing traffic to your page organically. So there are a bunch of different ways that we allow you to do this just inside the site builder, let alone outside of the site builder and other tools that we have on the platform. But what we're going to focus on right now is just putting things here from the builder on your page and kind of optimizing it that way with our social proof apps. So what we're going to do is come here and first give you the example of putting just a regular gallery, coming over here to edit, come with the images, and in the alt image here, in the title with galleries like this, you can put people's names. So let's say, for an example, these are people that you have a photographer taking pictures of at one of your events, and you get the photographer to give out a card. People take these cards. There's a website on a card. They can go to that website. Maybe it's yours. Maybe it's the photographer's website. And then they'll be able to give their Instagram account, be able to register on that site, and that way we can tag them in photos and then share these photos with them in hopes that they share them to their friends and their followers as well. Okay, so what we can do is, let's say these two girls did that and their name is Natalie and Nicole. On the title here we can put Natalie and Nicole at Club Fusion. Okay, and let's say their Instagram is Natalie and Nicole, just for example. We can put their Instagram here so people can start to look them up on Instagram. Confirm here. And now we can go ahead and preview. People will hover over and see that at Natalie and at Nicole are at Club Fusion. Okay, this is an awesome way to start to promote people and get them to promote you in return. Okay, you can also put your Instagram or put anything that you want to promote here on top of the titles. This is going to help with social proof with sharing. You can also put down here in the footer, in the header, or anywhere else on your page, things like a social bar. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Things like a social bar, like a Facebook. You can configure these to your Twitter, your Google+, your YouTube account by coming here. All right, so we're going to go into image. And then configuring by the icon here, you can choose a different icon, give it a title, give it an alt title, and then a link to that page. All right, now, other things that we can do for social proof is, let's give ourselves some space here. We can come here into our apps. All right, go into social. And then we get a bunch of different items that we can integrate into our website, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram posts, Google+, Pinterest, and social bars like the one you see down here. All right, now, another cool gallery you can use are the Instagram galleries. So, for an example, maybe you had a huge event, or maybe you had someone really special come to your event, or maybe you invited someone out. They showed love to one of your stories, one of your content, your posts, whatever you have, and you want to highlight them on IG to try and get some followers back as well. All right, what we're going to do is come here. You can select this item. You can highlight a post featuring that person or pointing to that person or pointing to your event, whatever you're trying to highlight the most. Okay, you can make this the size that you want or the size that you believe it needs to be to grab that attention, and then put the post here, link your Instagram account. It's going to show your likes, your comments, and then your main title as well. This is also another good way to get your followers up on IG. All right, now another gallery that you can use, I'm going to come here and delete you, is we can use this full-fledged gallery. All right, and what it's going to do is when we come here and configure, we can connect our Instagram account, and we can configure our header, how it looks, the colors, the theme, how we want our pictures to show up here. We can do square or circle themes here. Looks really, really awesome. All right, we can change our background, change the columns, change everything about it, even the buttons. All right, and then we can finish, confirm, and then post here. This is another way to, once again, gain followers, get people back to your site, and vice versa. You can put your site's link up here in your IG, link people back here, drive traffic, and go back to your page. Start to build your following. Okay, this is going to help you with your social proof. This is going to help you with indexing. This is going to help you with links, external links coming into your site as well. Okay, now another thing that we can do, and another thing that is highly recommended, what you see on most blogs, is going to be a comment box. All right, allow people to comment on your website, allow them to comment on your content. All right, so if we come back here, we go back into social. One that I recommend is using the Facebook comments. So let's come over here and we can pull our comment box in here. We can drag this down and make it a little bit longer. And then we just right click, edit, and then we put our Facebook URL here, the width that we want it to be, number of posts, the theme, light or dark. We can order by newest or the oldest post. And then once you're done with that, you just confirm. And now, once you link your Facebook page or drive traffic by putting links to your site on your Facebook page, you can get people to come here, start to see your site, and then make comments. Or they can make comments on your actual Facebook page, and then they can show up here. Alright, so this is another awesome way to start to get more links back to your site and more indexes from the search engines. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.